How to make a circular organization chart in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for circular organization chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Circular organization chart is created successfully. Circular organization chart data requirements. You need between 0 and 4 columns of categorical data to create a circular organization chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 1 and 10 columns of numerical data to create a circular organization chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a circular organization chart with 4 data columns as follows. 2 columns containing categorical data. 2 columns containing numerical data. Important: circular organization chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Settings button to change chart type. Click on the Chart Type section. You can change the chart type to radar, spider, or polar. You can reset chart type. Click on the Settings button to change curve point. Click on the Curve Point section. You can show or hide curve point. Change the curve point radius. Click on the Legend Properties pen to change the color of the fill. You can change the shape type. Change the color of all fills and shape type. Click on the Axis Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Circle Lines section. You can set number of circle lines and other properties. Click on the Stats section. You can show or hide stats. You can set precision. You can set prefix and postfix. Axis properties are applied. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.